Hello friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine and healthy. Today in this video I will talk about that learning English language is difficult or it is easy to learn, and why people are interested to learn this language and why you are interested to learn this language. What are the benefits and what are the losses? Is there any kind of loss when you learn this language or not, or this language will help you to grow your talent on international level? I will discuss in this video, so I suggest you, I request you that give your suggestions after watching this video below in comment box, that why you are learning this language, what is main goal in your mind or in front of you, that after learning this language you will do such things. And if you have not set any kind of goal about learning the English language, then what should you do? So actually English is taught all over the world right now. Most of the people give preference to learn the English language. Although the English is the first language of 53 countries. 53 countries are officially speaking the English language, and most of the countries or most of the people are not aware about don't know the English language, such as in China, Russia and some other countries. In previous time they were not giving too much value to learn the English language. They were giving the value to their own language. They were teaching their students in their own languages. They want to promote their own language. But right now most of the countries are giving some values to learn the English language, because they know that whenever they go to attend international conferences, there the English language is spoken, and if they don't know the English language, they have to hire a translator with them. You know that whenever heads of the governments travel around the world for some important issues, they will have to speak in English language. If they don't know the English language, such as some of the leaders don't know the English language, then they will have to hire the translator, and it is very difficult for them to say everything in translation form. When they know their self the language good, better level, then they can elaborate things very easily. So this is as you know that this is the international language and it is considered the global language. For that most of the people are too much curious to learn this language. I have seen that there are some people, young people, students, those are willing to go to Britain or America. First of all they join English classes and they hire some tutor to improve their English language, because they know whenever they will go to embassy, the interview will be conducted in English language, and if they will not speak in proper way, perhaps they will be rejected to give the visa. So to overcome this fear, they are learning the English language. There are some kind of reasons that people are learning English language, because if you are willing to go to such a country where there the first language is English language and you don't know the English language, then there you will face problems in your early time. After sometimes you will learn the English language, because there you will listen practically people doing some things, and practical doing things are the more better than the theory. I have seen some people that those are illiterate people, whenever they go outside in those countries where their language is not spoken, and they listen all the time the language of that country, then after some years they are able to speak the language of that country, not fluently, but in some way others can understand. So I am thinking that if you are willing to grow your talent on international level, if you want to go America or Britain from those countries where the English is not given much priority and you are facing some problems while learning this language. I think that right now the social media has given you the facilities to improve your English language. There are a lot of stuff available on social media in the form of video, in the form of written scripts, podcast. You can improve your English language in better way. And if you will improve your English language, then I think that you will get good benefits due to this language. If you know the English language, you will go to Britain or USA, and there I think that you will find a good job. You will be selected. And also I have seen that in UAE, all other countries, whenever some companies do some kind of interviews, they conduct those interviews in English language. Otherwise, if you are not aware about English language and you are expert in your work, but whenever you are in the interview and you can't speak, you can't share your ideas with the people in proper way, then I think that perhaps you will be rejected to give the job. And if you deliver your interview in proper way, you speak very good English language, then you will be selected and you will get a very high position in any company. Such as I will share one example that in previous time I visited in UAE, and there I was not willing to get any kind of job, but in some company there in Dubai Mall I gave interview for a job, and I there spoke. At that time I was not good in English language, but I spoke good English there, and I was selected. I was not willing to get the job, but I was selected. So they emailed me that provide some other documents to process your job, but I did not give my documents to them. In this way, I think that if you are willing to improve yourself, improve your English language, there are so many platforms that will help you to learn the English language. And best platform is the social media, the cell phone, which is in your hand. With the help of cell phone, I think that you will get lot of things which would come into your mind. For example, if you are willing to learn the English language, you can search videos on YouTube, you can search the podcast on YouTube or any other platform that will provide you the help. So get the help from social media and improve yourself. And if there in your family or friend circle people, those know the English language, get help from those people. Those will help you, those will correct you, those will teach you in proper way, and with the help of those people, I think that one day you will speak the good English language. Hope this video will help you in learning the English language. If you have any query, please write down those queries in comment box. I will give you the reply and give your valuable feedback, so that we will make our other videos according to your views, according to your suggestions. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.